Hello Python programmers, once again welcome back to another video in Python tutorials with Arshad. In our previous video we had solved this first question. Now in this video we will discuss about the second question. Now the question here is check that the given number is Armstrong number or not. Okay, now we will see how to solve this. First of all we need to learn what is an Armstrong number. So I am just opening my Google and I am just searching as Armstrong number. I am opening a random website here. Now here our question is, if user enters a number, then we need to check whether the given number is Armstrong or not. If the sum of cube of digits present inside a number is again equal to that number, then that number will be Armstrong number. Now you can see here, for example, 153. Here 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is again 153. So we are considering this 153 as an Armstrong number. Now you can see this another example also. In this number 371, 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube is again equal to 371. So this number is also considered as Armstrong number. Now you can see here, these are the only Armstrong numbers present between 0 to 1000. The sum of cube of each and every digit present inside a number is again equal to that number, then we will consider that number as an Armstrong number. Okay, now we will see how to find whether the given number is Armstrong or not using Python programming language. Now I am opening my Visual Studio Code. I am creating here a new Python file named as tut18.py. I am closing all previous tabs. Okay, now we will see how to do that. I am declaring here a variable named num which will take input from user in int form. I am providing here text as enter the number. Now here for finding sum of cube of each and every digit, we need to iterate over each and every digit present inside a number. For example, if the number is 153, then we need to iterate over 1, after that 5, after that 3. Now we know that we will use loops for iteration. Now in this case, I am going to use while loop. I am just saying that while the value of num is greater than 0, then enter into this loop. Now here I want to extract each and every digit from a number. Now here I am having the idea. If we divide any number by 10, then the remainder will be the last digit of that number. I am repeating once again. If we divide any number by 10, then our remainder will be the last digit present inside that number. Now I will show you this with the help of IDLE. Now you can see here, if I divide 153 with 10, I am using here modulus arithmetic operator for getting remainder. Now if I hit enter, then you can see here our output is 3. With this we can conclude that if we divide any number by 10, then our remainder will be last digit of that number. With the help of this, I can extract the last number. I am declaring here a variable named rem, which is nothing but remainder. You can use your own variable names, which will store the remainder after dividing our num with 10. Okay, now here we want to perform cube operation on remainder, right? Here remainder is nothing but last digit. So I am just saying that rem power 3. Now here I am declaring a variable named Armstrong. Initially the value of this Armstrong will be 0. I am going to add the cube of each and every digit to this Armstrong variable. So I am just saying that Armstrong equal to Armstrong plus remainder power 3. Okay, now you can see here initially the value of our Armstrong is 0. Now for clear understanding, imagine that the value of num is 153. Now we know that 153 modulus 10 is 3. Now that 3 will be stored inside this remainder variable. Now we are performing cube operation on this remainder variable. So 3 power 3 will become 27. 0 plus 27 will become 27, and this 27 will get assigned to this Armstrong variable. Now we have only extracted the last digit. Now we need to do the same thing with remaining digits also. Now how can we do that? I am having an idea here. Now you can see here in the IDLE. Now my problem will be solved if I delete last digit from the given number. If we divide any number with 10, then the last number will be removed in our quotient. Now you can see here I am showing you with the help of IDLE. If we divide 153 with 10, Now here if I use this operator for division, it will return me output in float format. So I don't want my output to be in float format, so I am performing float division here. Now if I hit enter, then you can see here we had got only 15. Our last number has been removed, because if we divide any number with 10, then in our question the last number will be removed. Okay, now I am going to use this floor division as a decrement operator here. Now you can see here I am just saying that num equal to num floor divided by 10. Okay, that's all. Our problem has been solved. Now I will explain you this while loop once again. For example, time being, just remember that here the value of num is 153. We know that 153 is a Armstrong number. Now you can see here 153 is greater than 0. Condition has been satisfied. It will enter into loop. Now we know that 150 modulus 10 is 3. Now here we had extracted the last digit from the given number. Now the value of this rem variable will become 3. Now here initially the value of Armstrong is 0. So 0 plus 3 cube will become 27. And this 27 will be again assigned to this Armstrong variable. Now in the next line we are using floor division as a decrement operator. Now if we perform floor division of 153 with 10, then we will get 15. Now it will start the next iteration. Here the value of num is 15 now. 15 is also greater than 0. It will enter into the loop. Now 15 modulus 10 is again 5. Now I will show you that with the help of IDLE once again. Now if we perform modulus operation of 15 and 10, now you can see here our output is 5. With the help of this we can consider that here the value of this REM variable is 5. Now here the value of Armstrong is 27. 27 plus 5 cube will become 152. Now this whole 152 will be assigned to this Armstrong variable. Now in the below line we are using decrement operator. Now if we perform floor division of 15 and 10, we will get output as 1. Now you can see here with the help of IDLE also. If I perform floor division of 15 and 10, now you can see here I have got output as 1. So it will start next iteration. 1 is also greater than 0. It will enter into loop. Now if we perform 1 modulus 10, our remainder will be 1 only. Now you can see here with the help of IDLE. If I say 1 modulus 10, you can see here our output is 1 only. Now the value of this rem variable is 1. The value of Armstrong is 152. 152 plus 1 will become 153, and this 153 will be again assigned to this Armstrong variable. Now in the next line the value of num will become 0, because if we perform floor division of 1 and 10, then our value of num will become 0, and 0 is not greater than 0. The loop will be terminated. Our problem has been solved. Now the thing we need to do here is, if the value of this Armstrong is equal to the value of this num, then our number is an Armstrong number. Otherwise our number is not an Armstrong number. But here I am having a small problem. Here we are using while loop and we are using a decrement operator. So here the value of this num is changing. So I can't use equality operator among this Armstrong variable and this num variable. So for solving this problem, I am declaring here a variable named a, and I am storing the value of num inside this variable. Now I am using a simple if condition here. If the value of a is equal to Armstrong, then enter into this if block and print the given number is Armstrong number. Else print the given number is not Armstrong number. Okay guys, that's all. Our coding has been completed. Now I am running this program. You can see here it is asking me enter the number. I am entering number as 153. Now you can see here I had got output as the given number is Armstrong number. Now I am running this program once again. Now I am just typing a random number here. Now you can see here I had got output as the given number is not Armstrong number. Now once again I am opening the Chrome. Now you can see here these are all the Armstrong numbers. If I try for 370, then you can see here I am running this program once again. And I am giving here integer as 370. Now you can see here I had got output as the given number is Armstrong number. Okay guys, that's all in this video. We had seen how to find whether the given number is Armstrong number or not using Python programming language. Now I will quickly revise the whole program. First we are taking input from user and we are storing this inside a variable named num, and we are declaring here a variable named Armstrong. Initially the value of this Armstrong will be 0. After that we will add the cube of each and every digit present inside this num to this Armstrong variable. Now we are using this while loop here for iterating over digits present inside this num variable. Now if we consider the value of num as 153, 153 will be greater than 0. It will enter into loop, and 153 modulus 10 is nothing but 3, and this 3 will be assigned to this remainder variable. After that initially the value of this Armstrong is 0, and 0 plus 3 cube will become 27, and this whole 27 will be assigned to this Armstrong variable. After that we are using this floor division operator for decrement in while loop. So if we divide 153 with 10, then we will get output as 15. So again 15 is greater than 0. The same process repeat until the value of num will become 0. The thing you need to observe here is for extracting lost number we are using this modulus operator, and for deleting lost number we are using this floor division operator. That's all guys. After that we are using simple if else conditions. Now for termination of while loop we are changing the value of this num variable. So we can't check whether this num is equal to this Armstrong or not. So I am declaring here another variable named a, which will store the value of this num variable. So finally I am checking that if the value of a is equal to Armstrong, then enter into this if block and print the given number is Armstrong number. Otherwise enter into else block and print the given number is not Armstrong number. Okay guys, that's all in this video. We had seen how to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not, and in our next video we will solve the remaining questions. Thank you for watching till end. And finally, if you like this video series, then share this video series of Python tutorials with Arshad to your friends also. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Arshad, and also hit this bell icon to get latest updates. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.